Okay.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys a trick on how to not break your back when you're trying to split kindling, okay?
Okay.
Alright. I come up with this because my back's killing me, and it was better than reaching down and picking up every piece every time I cut one. So, all you do is take a ratchet strap, stack your wood together, wrap your ratchet strap around. Of course, you gotta get the right size first. Okay.
I'm getting my hands warm.
And then you tighten your ratchet strap up.
Tubby is
Now,
barking.
You don't have to pick up every piece of kindling that you bust. Let me see my maul here. Watch this.
Okay.
Okay? Pretty simple. And there you have it. You don't have to bend down and pick up every piece every time you bust a piece. See that?
That's cool.
And then once you get so many, you just tighten your ratchet strap up again. You're good to go.
Okay.